What's up, YouTube? I'm back. It's your boy Gideon. I'm 13. I'm a Habesha boy who was born and raised in America. Today, I'm gonna make my favorite Habesha food, Kitfo. Well, my second favorite. Anyways, so let's get to it. So the first step, all right? It is not a requirement. It's just recommended. Put on your gloves. And then I also wash my hands, so. One. So here's your Kitfo meat. So first thing you want to add is about 2 tablespoons of korima. Alright. 2 tablespoons of mita. So 2 tablespoons of mita. We are using the half tablespoons because the full tablespoon will not fit. Alright, so 1.5. And then finally, 1 teaspoon of salt. Alright guys, I had to wash the gloves because I touched the seasonings. So now, let's go ahead and mash together our Kitfo meat. Make sure to get all the seasonings incorporated. Oh my God, guys, this smells so good. Okay guys, so now we are gonna heat up our pan to about high. And let it warm up for a little bit and then put your seasoned butter in. Alright, now it should be warm, so let's go ahead. Slide that in there. Let that just melt. Alright. While that's melting, you can go ahead and check up on your meat. Mash it a little more with a fork. And then yeah, we'll get back to you guys once all the butter is melted and we're about to put the Kitfo in the pan. Alright guys, let's now go ahead and put your Kitfo meat. And then today we are also going to make it lev, which means a little cook. And then we turn the heat down to low, so. we just made this quick side salad, some lettuce, tomatoes, and Italian dressing, just on the side. And then a little bit over here, a little bit over here. And there you go. There's your Kitfo. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and try my Kitfo. It's really good, it's really spicy. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, please show your support in the comments. Until next time, please don't forget to subscribe to Lovely.